Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is going to be a makeup haul, as you know from the name, and it is going to be quite a huge makeup haul. Like, I do have a lot of products to show you guys. So my mom had been to the US recently, so I did order a bunch of products which I had been wanting to try for such a long time. Like, some of them are so hyped up on social media and YouTube, so I just wanted to see how they are personally. Initially, I was not intending to film this haul video because you cannot get most of the products in India easily, but I did post an Instagram picture asking you guys if you all wanted a haul video, and some of you all wanted me to film this. Also, there are some Instagram accounts in India that do sell original international makeup products, so probably you can get your hands on these through them. I had to literally control myself from opening up the products, except for a few samples. I haven't actually opened up any product myself, so I'm really excited because it's going to be for the first time in front of the camera with you guys. So I'm really excited to see how they actually look like. So probably this is going to be a long video because I do have a lot of products to show you guys. Also, it's very hot outside, so I do have to keep my AC on, and probably that's going to create some noise, so I apologize for that. But yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. The first one is this Sephora Beauty Amplifier Afterglow Primer and Luminizer, and this is how it looks like. I'm not sure if you get this in the Sephora India stores. I've never really been to any stores in India, so I really wanted to try this out because I heard this is like a dupe for the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and I have combination skin, so I was not sure if the Becca primer would work for me, and it is quite expensive. So I thought, why not give this one a try. Again, I have heard really good things about this, and I'm not really sure how it is. I don't want to open this up and see as of now, but maybe I'll do like a first impressions video. If anyone wants to see, then please comment down below. Like, I'll use most of these products and see how they perform in my first impressions video. So next is this Maybelline mascara. This is the Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. I wanted to try this for such a long time, and I'm so excited to have this. Again, I've heard so many good things about this mascara, and I'm really excited to see how this performs. So the next product is also from Maybelline, and it's a Master Contour Stick in the shade Medium. This is how it looks like. It is like a dual-sided thing. You have the contour on one side and the highlight on the other side. I think it's such a cool idea. Especially, it's great like if you're traveling and you have like everything in one product. So this is the contour and highlight shade. I think it's really very nice. The contour is a very nice color, and it's perfect for like medium skin tones. And even the highlight is really good. It's really very creamy. Like, just with the swatch, I found it that's really creamy. So I'm really excited to try this out and see how this works. So the last product is also from Maybelline, and this is their Color Jolt Intense Lip Paint, and this is in the shade Stripped Down. This is not like a matte lip paint or something. This is very glossy. Can you see that? It's such a beautiful, like a nude pink shade, perfect for everyday wear. This color is stunning. So the next product is something I was really wanting to try, and this is the Pure Hydrogel Lift Eye Perfecting Primer. And this is how the packaging looks like. It's such a cute packaging. I have seen Michelle from Ready Set Glamour use this in every single tutorial, and she just loves this product totally and highly recommends this. So that's why I really wanted to try this out, because my under eye area recently has been really dry even after using any eye cream. So it actually says that achieve the perfect eye makeup application with this hydrating all-purpose cooling eye primer that preps and smoothes the skin for better wear throughout the day. It hydrates the lid and under eye area for an instant brighter, firmer, lifted look while blurring imperfections and priming for concealer application. So this is exactly what I am looking for from this product, so I'm really excited to try this out. So the next product is something that I was dying to get my hands on, and it had been out of stock for the longest time. Like, I was literally stalking the Ulta website, and it was out of stock every single time, but finally I got my hands on this, and this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And if you have been watching other YouTubers and on social media, you know that everyone loves this product, and I love concealers because I have really dark circles. So if any concealer is going to help me with that, I need it. So this is in the shade Medium, and the packaging is so cute, and it's a huge one. Like, it's really huge, and they did release some new shades as well, but I'm so excited to try this out. Like, look at this one, it's such a huge applicator. So this is how the shade looks like, and it's really a good match for my under eye area. Slightly probably on the brighter side, but it's really going to help me highlight my under eye area. And so I'm so excited to try this out. Probably I'll use this in my first impressions video, but I really can't wait to try this out. So I picked up two foundations, and the first one is this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. This is how it looks like, and this is in the shade Warm Beige, which I think is a good match for my skin tone. And it comes with a pump, which is so amazing because I love when foundations come with a pump. It's so easy to use it, and it says it gives medium to full coverage, lightweight, oil-free formula, long-wearing, water-resistant and sweat-proof. This is exactly what I look for in my foundation. I love anything that's long-wearing, gives a medium to full coverage and is oil-free. So I'm so excited to use this because I have heard amazing reviews about this foundation. Like, everyone on YouTube and other social media loves this foundation. Color is really a good match for me, and so this is how it looks, and it's really blendable, and it feels really lightweight, and it is definitely full coverage. So I got two products from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the first one is this stick foundation. This is like her new launch, and she came out with a lot of shades, and it was really confusing for me to choose my shade. It's always hard to pick your shade online, and I love stick foundations because they're so handy and they're perfect for travel. And I think this is supposed to be like a matte formula, so I'm really excited to see. So first I have to see whether the shade matches me. I love the packaging though. The packaging is really nice and elegant, and okay, the color probably matches me really well. So this is how it looks like, and you get this much of product in this, which is really good. And this is in the shade Warm Natural. So this is how the shade looks like. It's probably a little on the lighter side, but I can fix that. So I'm really excited to open up the next product, and this is the ABH Glow Kit in the shade Dat Glow. Oh my god, these pans are so huge. Like, just look at this. Such huge pans, and you can actually remove them. If you have the other glow kits, then probably you can customize it as well, or you can pop this in your Z palette. But this is stunning. Like, so these are all the 4 shades. They are so stunning. This one is dripping in gold, and it's probably my favorite shade of all of them. But these shades are so stunning. I'm so excited to use them. So moving on with the highlight theme, this product was like a must-have for me, and this is the Becca Jaclyn Hill collaboration Champagne Splits. This is in the shade Champagne Pop and Flower Chai. So this has the highlight and the blush. Oh my god, look at this packaging. I haven't tried any of the Becca highlighters before, so I'm so excited to try this out. The packaging is so beautiful. Oh my god, this is stunning. Just look at that highlight shade, and the blush shade is just so pretty. The camera and the lighting is not doing justice to this, guys. Just look at that. This is like highlight. Such a beautiful color. Look at that. So I do have 2 products from Urban Decay, and the first one I actually saw Akanksha from Miss Tantrum posted on her Instagram and her blog. She just loves this product, and her blog is so amazing, guys. You definitely must check it out. She is amazing. I will link it down below. So she posted this, and I was like, I need this in my life, and I actually wanted to try this out for such a long time. And this is their Beached Bronzer, and I believe this is in the shade, I can't get it, yeah, this is in the shade Bronze. First of all, the packaging is so beautiful. So this is how it looks like. It comes with this nice decent mirror, and this shade is just beautiful. Now I know why Akanksha just loves this bronzer. This is like the perfect bronzer shade for most Indian skin tones. This is beautiful. So the next product is the Urban Decay Whites lipstick, and they came out with I think 100 different lipsticks with different formulas, and I was really wanting to try out, and I picked up this one in the cream formula, and this shade is called Liar. First of all, the packaging is so beautiful. I love this packaging. I haven't tried any lipstick from Urban Decay before, but OMG, this shade is so beautiful. This is like such a beautiful nude color. This shade is so beautiful. I just had to do like one swipe and smudge pigment came off. Like, this is amazing. This is incredible. I'll just swatch it again for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. Like, did you see that? I'm sure this is going to be one of my go-to lipsticks ever. So next I have some products from Kiko Milano, and the best part, they have recently launched in India, I think at DLF Mall Noida. But I did place this order like quite some time back. And the first product that I have is the Endless Sky Volume Effect Mascara. Again, this is from their limited edition, but I think this has launched in India. Like, this edition is available at the mall, so definitely do check it out because the packaging is super gorgeous. Like, the packaging is just stunning. Let me just show you. Ta-da! Look at this mascara packaging, guys. Like, this is stunning. I was actually going to buy another mascara from them, which Kathleen loves a lot. Like, I think it's their volume mascara or something, but I came across this and it was at 50% off. So the packaging is so stunning. I just love this packaging. And it's again the volume effect mascara, so I'm not going to open this, but it's really pretty. This is the Mirage Lip Stylo. This is again from Kiko. It's in the shade number 15. Packaging, guys, look at this lipstick packaging. But this is such a beautiful red. I mean, this is a very nice, like a deep red, not very bright, but so this is the color and such a beautiful red. This is not like a matte lipstick, it's more like a creamy lip color. The next product is the most gorgeous product that I've ever come across, and I didn't know this was going to be so huge. This is the Kiko Milano Desert Dunes Baked Bronzer. See the size of this. This is so beautiful. I actually just opened this one because I couldn't control myself. Ta-da! This looks so luxurious, and I think this is available in India at the DLF Mall. Definitely check this out because this is huge. I love this whole textured effect on this. I'm never going to run out of this at all. This is huge. This is really huge, and this is in the shade 201. So this is the color, guys, if you can see right here. Again, it's a very nice shade for Indian skin tones. It is not very shimmery, it just has a very nice hint of shimmer. So next product is from Tarte. It is from their new holiday collection, and this is again a product which has such amazing packaging. Tarte always makes some of the best holiday kits, and this is the packaging, and this is the color wheel, the blush wheel. It's the Amazonian Clay Blush Palette. Ta-da! This is how the palette looks like. Such amazing packaging. I just love this packaging, and this is how it looks on the inside. It comes with 10 gorgeous blush shades. Oh my god, like this had just recently launched on Sephora, and I immediately ordered this because this looks so beautiful. This comes with such stunning shades. Like, there is a shade for every skin tone and probably every blush shade that you'll ever need. I love the fact that it comes with this plastic film, so it protects your blushes, and it has matte blushes, it has shimmer blushes, just such a beautiful combination of colors. So this haul for me wouldn't be complete without a Morphe product. Like, I just love all of their products. Most of the eye brushes that I use are all from Morphe. They are so amazing. So I did order a bunch of brushes from them. They also launched their new Rose Gold collection, so I picked up some of those brushes as well. So this one is my favorite. Like, I did ask Michelle from Lady September which was the bronzer brush that she uses, and she said it was the Morphe M527, and this is the Morphe R7. So I looked up at the specifications and they were just the same, but this is in the rose gold color, and this is such a beautiful brush. Like, it's so soft and I love this brush. It's so beautiful. So if you want like a complete video on Morphe brushes, then let me know. I would love to do that as well. So Morphe recently launched 5 new mini eyeshadow palettes which retails for like $10, and they are in collaboration with Elena Gunt. I think that is how you pronounce. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. But I just ordered that immediately when I saw it live on Morphe. This is how the outer packaging looks like. I haven't opened them yet. So this one is called Awesome Blossom, and this is such a cute tiny palette. As I said, it comes with 8 different eyeshadows, and these are the eyeshadows in the Awesome Blossom palette. Such beautiful shades. The next one is called Coffee Toffee, and this is how it looks like. Again, such a beautiful palette. It has like 2 matte shades and then shimmer shades. They're so beautiful. Let me just swatch a few shades for you from these. Like, look at that. This is such a beautiful shade. Wow. These are really pigmented. This is the matte shade. Oh my god, I love this matte color. This is so beautiful. And let me just show you this one as well. This is the darker shade. All of them look so stunning. I'm so excited to play with these. The last little palette is called Copper Popper, and this is the one I was most excited about because the shades are like perfect combination of colors. I'm sure everyone would definitely pick up this palette, and this is how it looks like. Look at these shades, guys. These are such stunning colors, like this entire row of shimmer shades, and this has an entire row of matte shades. So this is the first matte color, and such a beautiful warm shade to put in the crease. And let me just show you this one as well. Oh my god, this is such a pretty shade, and this one is stunning. Oh my god, look at that pigment. It's so beautiful. Wow, like these shades are just so amazing. Like, I'm so excited to try this out, and for $10 this is amazing. Such an amazing palette, and this is again limited edition, so definitely check out the Morphe website. And they also do ship to India, which is again a very good thing. So now I have just 2 more items to show you guys, and the first one is again a Morphe palette. I was confused between the 35O, 35F and the 35O shimmer palette, but I picked up the 35OS palette. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm really excited to see how it looks. These colors are so beautiful. Look at these shades, guys. They are so stunning. Look at that. This is like one swipe of color, and look at how much pigment it has. I still have so much of it left on my fingertip. Wow. This is like amazing. This palette is stunning. Wow, look at that shade. This is such a pretty shade. Wow, this is gorgeous. So look at these shades, guys. They are so pretty. So the last product is again an eyeshadow palette, and this product was like so hyped up on YouTube. I think Nikki Tutorials first introduced this on her Snapchat, and then everyone just went crazy about it. And you must have already guessed what I'm talking about. This is the Juvia's Place Masquerade eyeshadow palette, and look at this packaging. This is so stunning. This is beautiful. They do ship to India, and this is limited edition. Look at the eyeshadow pans, guys. Like, this is huge. I haven't seen any palette have such big eyeshadow pans. This is the one right here. So this is how it looks like, and I'm also going to swatch this one. So it's again really pretty. Such a beautiful shade. I'm going to swatch this shade right here. Wow, this is bright. This is such a bright color. So guys, these are all the products that I purchased. I know it was such a huge haul, and the video was probably very long. I kept talking for such a long time. So if you have been watching this till the end, then thank you so much. Let me know if you want like a detailed review on any of these products. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you all did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll meet you soon in my next video. Bye bye.